Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU transfer case and differential fluid change kits for the 2010 to 2021 Toyota 4Runner four-wheel drive models. In this kit, we include the appropriate amount of gear oils for changing both the front and rear differentials, as well as the center transfer case. The gear oils in this kit are also in accordance with Toyota's specification and viscosity recommendations for changing the gear oils in the center transfer case and differentials for this particular 4Runner application. We include a total of 5 liters of the fully synthetic Revenol MTF1, which is a 75W85 GL5 gear oil. 3 liters are used for changing the rear differential and 2 liters for the front differential. For changing the center transfer case, we include 2 liters of the fully synthetic Revenol MTF3 75 weight gear oil. What really sets these gear oils apart from others is Revenol's use of high quality fully synthetic base oils, along with their advanced additive formulations, engineered and made in Germany. They are specifically formulated to outperform standard transfer case fluids and gear oils. Some of the benefits are extreme shear stability, better oxidation and wear protection, improved driveline efficiency, a higher resistance to foaming, fuel-saving characteristics, and longer change intervals. To learn more about the benefits of using these gear oils, feel free to visit our website. Another great benefit is Revenol's proprietary bottle cap. It includes an integral pour spout and fill tube that conveniently allows you to easily fill your differentials and transfer case, and in most cases, an additional fluid pump would not need to be purchased. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU transfer case and differential fluid change kits for the 2010 to 2021 Toyota 4Runner four-wheel drive models. If you have any other questions or for more information on our BLAU fluid change kits, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.